warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I back to our beloved lecturer, that is Azhan. I hope you are in the peak of health. My name is Yasmin Nurain binti Ahmad, or known as Dewi. So for today, me and my fellow friend, we're gonna explain a little bit about what we have learned in the syllabus, that is preservations of the library materials. We all must know what is preservations of the library material as well. So here, I'm going to talk about why we need these preservations in the library material. Okay, by preserving the unique and the original materials in the library special collections as well, we are guaranteed and we are safekeeping the continuum of the culture heritage. Actually, that's really important, because nowadays a lot of generations born and they have to know about this. As we all know that this new generation is more eager to the social media, and yeah, me also. Alright, actually from this topic, we had learned a lot of from our lecturer about the preservations of the library as well.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Zikri bin Punaib, matrix number 202717665, and I'm from class KIM 1203A. Today I would like to talk about preservation of library materials. And now we can take a look at reprography. Reprography is the process of reproducing, reprinting, or copying graphic material, especially by mechanical photography or electronic means. There are a few methods of reproduction, or I can say reprography, including microfilming, photocopying, photographic reproduction, and lastly, digitization. For microfilming, it is one of the major means of reproducing and preserving library and archival materials. Microfilming is a photographic process of the creating of miniaturized images of materials on high resolution film. The benefits of microfilming is it is space saves, speed and convenience of retrieval, secure and permanent record, and lastly suitable for conservation and dimensional uniformity.
To the next point, that is what is the advantage and disadvantage of it. Alright, one of it is like we can saving the money through the storage space, and then increase in speed retrieval and improves the clarity as well. Wow, that's really awesome. Alright, the disadvantage is poorly organized and recommend will be more difficult to use on microfilm, and information is more difficult to retrieve. Alright, I think that's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to my friend. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum, and today we're going to talk about photocopying. Another method of reprography is photocopying. Photocopying has become such a common practice in many library and archival institutions that the need for policies and procedure is often ignored. However, it is important when developing a preservation reprography program to consider photocopying and to establish appropriate guidelines to ensure the physical quality of the original and the copies is protected. Preservation photocopy is one that utilizes a machine that produces a same size thermoplastic facsimile image by heat and pressure fusing through electrostatic charge onto acid-free permanent paper. The advantage of electrostatic copying is its relative low cost and accessibility for smaller institutions. However, the best results are obtained when copying textual material that are black and white and are not larger than average piece of paper. It is effective to photograph to reduce the wear and tear of reference browsing. The resulting copies are obviously poorer than the original photograph.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muazzina, and I would like to present for IML 253, and the topic is preservation of library materials. Now the topic that I got is photo reproduction. Photography may also be used as a preservation tool, particularly for copying original photos. Copy negative or prints can be made and used in place of originals, ensuring originals remain as secure and stable as possible. Photographic reproduction can also be used for documents and maps, although the benefits are sometimes outweighed by cost of photography. Okay, next is for digitization. Digitization is the transfer of records or information into electronic form. Is an increasingly popular activity in library and archival institutions in many countries. Document image processing systems allow for the conversion of materials from paper or other form to machine-readable form, which allows them to be stored and viewed electronically, saving space and increasing accessibility. Digitizing systems capture the image of a document by means of a scanner. The scanner holds a range of semiconductors to convert light of electronic impulses. For example, recording black and white documents requires only one binary digit or bit of memory per pixel. Recording a full grayscale requires 8 bits per pixel, and recording color requires at least 24 bits per pixel.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and I hope you enjoy it. And lastly, I would like to thank you for teaching us for this semester, and I hope we will see each other soon at UiTM later. Thank you so much, sir. Assalamualaikum.